This week we begin our journey in Perdido Key, and we're going to be heading to Destin, Florida, and then eventually Panama City. This young man here thought that he was going to get a fish. He was wrong.
Beautiful boat.
Beautiful. It's got a swagger going on right there. Those hindquarters. I thought I had the slow one. Oh my goodness. Here we go.
Not bad. Mine was much worse.
Not too bad. Don't fill the filters.
Nope. Some oil on that seal.
Use clean oil or
Doesn't matter.
just this oil?
Yeah, just that oil.
How many times have you changed your oil?
Twice.
Okay, twice?
We first got it and just
Recently,
Demopolis, yeah. Big old filter. Yeah, it's awkward getting in there though.
Yeah,
There's your new alternator.
Mm-hmm. The old one looks just like it.
It just doesn't work.
Exactly. You do hand tight and a quarter turn, or
That's it. Hand tight it and quarter turn.
yeah,
Cool, that's a cool little contraption.
yeah,
And they got these straps and they get oil on them. And they're no fun.
yeah, and they're slippery.
Yeah.
All right, so that is done.
Done.
Goes here.
Pump oil back in and that's it.
You want to pour oil in there?
It's on the drain.
Yeah, I don't know if it's my air conditioner.
Are you doing laundry?
Oh yes.
Yeah, laundry drain. Into the sump. Do you have a funnel? You want to go straight in there? If you have a funnel, it's probably wise. At least with my track record of being clean. Ready for oil. Pumping oil in. Two gallons. It's like giving the engine a bath, then just like, oh, there you go. Yeah, it's nice having this access above the engine to
I know, right?
4 gallons. Yeah, let's turn it over. So oil circulate and see where we're at. Hold on a sec, Scott. We put oil cap on. You're gonna blow some oil up at us if we don't. There we go. I'm gonna bet it's gonna take 5 gallons. Starts right up. Oh, mine just goes do.
Oh yeah, no, ours. As soon as I push that button,
It's amazing.
check it.
I'd say 1 more gallon. Want to be in that range, and the range is large, right? So you're safe. That's the safe zone, all the way up to the top of that range.
So we're in this zone, a little on the low side.
Turn the key and push the button.
Yep. Together. Right.
The
there.
golden. It's good to know. 5 gallons of oil.
Well, thank you very much. When you started it,
Yeah.
I saw a couple of active water drips coming out of.
Was it in that elbow?
Well, all I can see is it coming. All I can see is it dripping onto that diesel pad. So it's like running straight down that diesel pad. Where it's coming from,
So it's coming. Here's your water intake strainer. It's just water for sure.
it's a matter of tightening those clamps, or if the hose has a crack. Is that where?
This is also exactly where your impeller is. Right below the impeller.
Like hose? Or
So like this is the same thing, right? So
Yeah.
it's on this elbow. This elbow right here on that side. It's your impeller. And and so that'll push water through and push it into sinks and there. But it's this elbow.
That's where the drip is.
That's steam drip, but it's
Okay.
steam. The clamp is definitely not loose.
What'd you say? Fire it
Yeah,
up?
fire it up real quick.
All right, watch your shoulder.
Shut it down. Well, not good news.
No.
It's dripping from behind the housing. So for illustration purposes, the drip is coming through here. This bolt-on piece is dripping right down through here.
Out of that impeller housing.
I don't know what that means, but yeah, the housing piece, the drip is dripping right through here.
So it'd be a matter of probably opening it up to look at the impeller and see if the impeller's busted and it's not.
Right down through
It's pushing water back through the housing.
here. It's definitely dripping through that piece, but we'll spend some more time to look at
Yeah.
where it could might not be coming. Could be coming from above. It's dripping down
Through there or whatever.
But that's definitely where it is.
All right.
Great. We love photos.
So I bought an inexpensive endoscope off Amazon, and boy has it come in handy. I've used it for a multitude of things. This is just one of them, where we see these drips coming down out of our water pump. Next project.
Happy Thanksgiving! Cheers!
Woohoo!
So hard to be alone during the holidays, but boy, did we receive an outpour of love from family with photographs. Love you all. So with just two, no turkey on the table, but boy, did we have an incredible meal with chicken and gravy and vegetables. So even though our bellies were full, it was dessert time, along with our new friends and buddy boat, our True North adventures, the McGills.
And
Where it came from is YouTube.
Was Hannah on the video?
No.
Playing guitar?
Oh, Dad plays too.
That's the musician.
Great way to finish off Thanksgiving 2025 with friends, family, music. How do you say thank you to a family who are there for you 100% of the time?
For the angels on our buddy boat. They've been helping Joan and I so much. Enjoy.
Back in 2018, when we started RVing, we went to Pensacola Lighthouse, and we just happened to go by there via boat this year. I think it's going to be fun to see places by water that we visited while RVing. Pensacola Lighthouse was one of those spots. Hello, hello. So, being in Florida has always been fun. Not a place I want to live, but always want to visit. One thing, Florida is not all about alligators. So I was just going to show you a couple of pictures of birds that we took and saw along our journey. Hope you enjoy. Up and at 'em the next morning, down the Emerald Coast.
Now that's what I'm talking about for a boat launch, baby. Check that out.
Woohoo! Look at us getting these 2 and 3 footers. Woohoo! Fun times. Welcome to the salt water. Time to take it off the isinglass and the plexiglass. Woo, it's salty. Came to land, time to do a doggy dash. Scott gave his approval. On our anchor, we're good for the night.
Well, that does it for this episode. Come along next time as we take a ride over to Shell Island off of Panama City Beach. We enjoy some time together, and then we head back to the marina where we try to diagnose why we break power at new pedestals. We have a water pump replaced, and we have a fun-filled night in Apalachicola as we head to Carabel to stage for our crossing. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like.
And how about subscribing?
It's free.
Thanks for watching.
And see you next time.